Vande Mataram students, how are you all? Hope you are healthy and safe at home. So students, before starting our today's session, let us do the prayer. So stand up on your place, join your hands, close your eyes and start the prayer. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Students, settle down on your place and slowly open your eyes and let us start with our today's session. So students, in the previous session, we have done circle shape. Which shape? Circle shape. And in today's session, we are going to do square. What we are going to do? Square. Here, see here I have drawn one small square. Okay, so in circle there is no points. यहाँ सर्कल में हमारे पास we have no points. हम सर्कल सिर्फ it has only one point. One point से start होता है और वहीं पे stop हो जाता है. Okay, whereas square में क्या करते हैं? Square में क्या होता है? There are 4 points. How many points? 4 points. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many points are there? 4 points are there and all the points are equal. उसकी सारी lines, उसकी standing line, sleeping line, it is all equal. Okay, see here I have drawn some objects over here. Okay, we will see. See, what is this? This is square clock. Clocks भी 2 types के होते हैं. एक तो circle में होता है and one is in square. और भी बहुत सारे शेप में क्लॉक्स भी होते हैं, लेकिन हियर आई हैव टेकन इन द स्क्वायर शेप. सो सी दिस इज आल्सो सेम, स्लीपिंग लाइन इज आल्सो सेम, स्टैंडिंग लाइन इज आल्सो सेम एंड हियर स्लीपिंग लाइन इज आल्सो सेम. सो दिस ऑल द साइड्स, ये जो सारी साइड्स है दे ऑल आर सेम. ओके, हियर बॉक्स, यहाँ पे हमने क्या ड्रॉ किया है? बॉक्स ड्रॉ किया है. सी बॉक्स की साइज भी सेम है. बॉक्स की सारी साइड्स सेम है स्टूडेंट. सो दिस इज आल्सो स्क्वायर. योर यम्मी यम्मी चॉकलेट. यस, सी दिस इज आल्सो सेम. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन. सो दिस इज chocolate and chocolate is also some chocolates in different shape also, but here we have taken in square shape. मम्मा का पर्स आपने देखा है, मम्मा का हैंडबैग देखा है. सो हैंडबैग इज आल्सो स्क्वायर इन शेप. कैन यू सी हियर? सी, yes, so this is also square in shape. Now I am going to show you some objects which are square in shape, just like, see, here I am having one book. Yes, here I am having one notebook which is square in shape. Can you see? Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, and here one more standing line. How many sides are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these all 4 sides are same. क्या है ये? Same है. Then I am having one flashcard over here which is also in square shape. Can you see? देखो यहाँ पे square shape में है ना? So this is also square shape. You play with the blocks. You play with the blocks. Blocks में भी there are square shape of blocks. See here I have taken square shape of blocks. Yes, your color packet, color box या कुछ भी हो. See here I have taken a square packet. Okay, now here I have put some objects over here. Now students, tell me which is a square shape object over here. Is this a square shape? इसकी 4 sides same है? Is this same? No, this is rectangle in shape. Which shape it is? This is rectangle in shape. So is this a square shape? No. What is this? Here I have my pouch, my compass pouch. Is it in the square shape, students? No, this is also, it is not in the square shape. Yes. Here I have my book over here. Is this a square shape book? Yes, this is the square shape. Here I have one paper plate. Is this a square shape, students? No, this is also not a square shape. Now it is your turn. Tell me, which is the square shape over here? Is this a square shape? No. Okay. Is this a square shape? Yes, this is the square shape. Now, is this a square shape? No, this is a circle. This is a ball shape. Yes. Is this a square shape, students? Yes, this is the square shape. And this is also a square shape. Okay, students? Okay, so now it is time for our worksheet. So for that, open your numeracy skill sheets book and open your page number 19. Okay, what is written here? It is written square. क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे? Square. So क्या करना है यहाँ? Trace and color the square. See, यहाँ पे square दिया हुआ है. So now we are going to trace it. Okay, chalo start tracing with me. First you have to do sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line again your standing line. So here we have traced it. Now it is time for the color. Students, here I have taken red color. You can take any of the colors. So now we will start coloring our square shape. Slowly you have to color. Don't put the color out of the box. Square से बाहर जाना नहीं चाहिए. Slowly coloring करो उसको. Yes, so here we have completed doing our color. Okay, now we will see what is written over here. Find an object of square shape around you and draw the picture of that object in the given box. Students, हमने बहुत सारे square shapes देखे हैं. अभी हम लोग ने बहुत सारे बोर्ड पे देखे. So now we will draw one here. So we are going to draw one clock over here first. You can draw any of the object which is available, which you can see at your home. Okay. See, here I have drawn clock. Okay. So you can draw anything whichever you can see at your home. Okay. Yes. See. You play with the blocks. We have seen the blocks also. So here I am going to draw one block. Square shape के block I am going to draw here. Yes. Okay, student. After this, turn your page to the page number 20. This is practice time. What it is? Practice time. So students, this is your homework, that is HW. Okay, what is written over here? Paste yours and your family members picture in the given photo frames. See students, can you see here the photo frames? See, it is in square shape. Which shape? Square shape. So here you have to stick your mummy's photo, papa's photo and yours photo. Okay student, you have to do this homework at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.